Heavy rains lashed parts of coastal Malnad and northern Karnataka, causing rivers to overflow and minor landslides to occur in the state. A landslide occurred near Talakaveri in Kodagu, and search operations are now underway to look for four missing persons. A landslide was also reported in Mudigere in Chikmagalur district. In Belagavi, the Pandri river overflowed after heavy rains. Rains were also reported in Ballari as the water levels in the Tungabhadra river rose. Karnataka Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa announced that Rs 50 crore was released for flood relief in the state. The opposition asked the government to identify shelter homes to safeguard residents of the state who are at risk of the heavy rains.